Life and Vibes TV, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today's video is teeth whitening at home. So I saw a video on YouTube and I wanted to try this at home to see if it worked. I'm going to make an attempt to whiten my teeth with home remedies. So let's go. First things first, what you're going to need, a cutting board. That's one. Okay, and number two, you're going to need a grater. You're going to need a grater, and we're going to be using the small side. Number three, you're going to need a lemon. Okay, just some lemon. Make sure it's seeded. It's got seeds in there. Lovely. And you're also going to need brand new toothbrush. You're going to need toothpaste. Is ginger. If you can get the organic ginger, all the better. And you're also going to need bicarbonate of soda. That's what you're going to need. All right. And then we need a plate to mix everything in. I'd rather use a bowl because it's easier to keep everything close together. Okay. So quick. Let's peel our ginger and get going. We're gonna just peel the ginger, grate it a little bit, and then we shall put some lemon juice on that grated ginger. I should do a before and after for my teeth to see if it works. Okay, so before I brush it, I will do a before picture. So let's grate the ginger quickly. Get some of that spicy antiseptic goodness. You do need to get some of the body so that you can use it to scrub your teeth. Some of the chaff, so to speak. I think this is enough. And get out the chaff. Get a little bit more. As a tea drinker or a coffee drinker, you will notice the teeth will get yellow stains. Okay, so let's get, this is the ginger. I hope you can see, right? That's the ginger. So now I'm going to squeeze some lemon in here. I'm going to squeeze some lemon. Take out the seeds. Try not to get any in there, and I'm going to squeeze half of the juice. Take out a couple of seeds in here. Let's take out a couple of seeds in here. So far we have lemon juice and some grated ginger, and then we're going to need some toothpaste, just like if you're going to put it on your brush. Okay, and then we're going to need some bicarbonate of soda, like a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, and then we mix. Okay. And then we brush. I'll be back to show you, or you can come with me. Bathroom time. Let me now brush my teeth.